Hello, my name is Jerry. I'm an owner-operator, drive a 2018 Freightliner Cascadia. I've been in the trucking business now for about 10 years. I've driven for several companies, mostly driven Freightliners over the years. I got involved with GFT this past January. And on June 2nd, I started using these tabs regularly, and I've done a 3-week analysis on my truck using these tabs. I've been very, very surprised and just overwhelmed at the results. So from 6.1 to 6.7, I used 19.5 gallons of DEF, 450 gallons of fuel, drove approximately 3,000 miles. That's usually a typical week for me, is about 3,000 miles, sometimes a little more. Second week, 6.8 to 6.14, I used 440 gallons of fuel, 18 gallons DEF. I did average about 6.1 mile per gallon the first week, so that's what I'm getting right now because I'm out of tabs. So the first week was about 6.1 to 6.5 mile per gallon. The second week from 6.8 to 6.14, I averaged 7.68 mile per gallon. I was going out to Utah as well. I was really surprised at that. I didn't go into the heavy mountains, but there was definitely a lot of hills. So I drove 3,380 miles that week. And then last week, I was absolutely blown away. I did a LaSalle, Colorado. I take I-29 up through Missouri up to Lincoln, Nebraska, take I-80 over to 76 into northeast Denver. 3,100 miles, averaged 8.5 mile per gallon. So, and then I went from Blytheville, Arkansas to Evansville, Indiana twice. Approximately 3,100 miles, saved me a lot of money. As you can see, my fuel usage went down substantially. So from 450 gallons the first week I used it, down to 365 gallons the third week. And that's substantial. It's about 80 gallons less of fuel I used. The total miles of the 3 weeks was 7,717 miles, and I used approximately 1,100 gallons of fuel. So my average was 6.1 mile per gallon, but as you can see, the first week I got 6.1, 6.5, the second week 7.6, and the third week I got 8.5. So the average, so you can see it continually increased every week that I used it. This week I ran out of tabs. I need to order some more, and my average is back down to 6.1. So last week 8.5. This week not using tabs. I'm on my second tank, not using tabs, and I've been averaging around 6 mile per gallon. So I can, from what I can tell right now, it's going to save me at least $15,000 a year. I just got my DPF filter cleaned back in January. It cost me about $2,500. I'm told I need to have them cleaned about once every 150,000 miles. So what I'm seeing is a decrease in DEF usage. I used 19.5 gallons of DEF the first week, 18 gallons of DEF the second week, and 16.7 gallons the third week. So my DEF usage is actually going down. So that tells me that the product is absolutely doing what it's supposed to be doing. It attaches itself to the carbon chain in the fuel, cleans the fuel, it causes the engine to run much smoother, better fuel mileage, less DEF usage, and increased performance in the engine, as well as longevity in your DPF filter. So DEF is the diesel exhaust fluid in these whole DPF systems is the #1 issue with these trucks. So if a company can save money on their DEF usage and also decrease their wear and tear on that system, they can save a lot of money. In my estimation, I'm going to save $15,000 a year by using the product. That is including buying the product. My fuel cost was running around $1,800 to $2,000 a week. Now, the last 3 weeks, my fuel price has been around between $1,400 and $1,500. So I saved about $450 in fuel last week. And then you subtract the $120 it cost me to run fuel tabs, and I'm around the $300 mark. So 300 times 52 weeks is $15,000 a year. If a fleet, has 1,000 trucks, saving $15,000 a year, very, very substantial. Millions of dollars of savings in fuel, and the goal is to get as many different kinds of trucks, getting us data, a lot of different things that we can track and make this whole thing much better. So anyway, if you have any questions, please let me know. Talk to you soon.